AIMSMART, your review authority.
Kung bago ka sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang pindutin ang like, subscribe button, at notification bell para otomatiko kang maa-update sa mga latest videos na tiyak na makakatulong sa iyo.
Judicious Backbone, answer key to the AIMSMART Special Final Coaching Book, latest edition.
Juvenile Delinquency and Juvenile Justice System. 1. Delinquencies. 2. Anal. 3. Genital stage. 4. Phallic. 5. Emotionally maladjusted delinquents. 6. Psychiatric delinquents offender. 7. Environmental delinquents. 8. Social. 9. Asocial. 10. Neurotic.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
11. Accidental. 12. Biogenic. 13. Psychogenic. 14. Sociogenic. 15. Emotional inadequacy, wherein there is absence of tender love and care. 16. Extended. 17. School. 18. Failure of the teachers to check the students' test papers on the given deadline. 19. Religion. 20. Failure of the school to provide facilities for curricular and extracurricular activities.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
21. Both A and B. 22. Emancipation. 23. Dependent child. 24. Abandoned child. 25. Neglected child. 26. Physically neglected child. 27. Emotionally neglected child. 28. Commitment. 29. Involuntary commitment. 30. Voluntary commitment.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
31. Adoption. 32. Late bloomer. 33. Idiot. 34. Custodial. 35. Trainable. 36. Educable. 37. Borderline or low normal. 38. Physically handicapped children. 39. Emotional disturbed children. 40. Mentally ill children.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
41. Child. 42. Abuse. 43. immediately giving medical treatment to an injured child. 44. Setting reasonably high standard of academic atmosphere in school. 45. Obedience to parents, guardians, or school officials. 46. Circumstances which conforms to the survival and normal development of children. 47. Child prostitution. 48. Treating the child in a restaurant and a theme park. 49. Child trafficking. 50. When a person engages in the act of finding children among low-income families, hospitals, clinics, nurseries, daycare centers, or other child-during institutions who can be offered scholarship.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
51. Violence against women and their children. 52. Any of the above. 53. Psychological violence. 54. Controlling the suspect's own money or properties. 55. Battery. 56. Battered woman syndrome. 57. Stalking. 58. Dating relationship. 59. Temporary protection order. 60. Juvenile justice system.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
61. Best interest of the child. 62. Child at risk. 63. Being with an ideal family. 64. Child in conflict with the law. 65. Community-based programs. 66. Family court. 67. Regional trial court. 68. Deprivation of liberty. 69. Diversion. 70. Initial contact with the child.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
71. Intervention. 72. Juvenile justice and welfare. 73. Law enforcement officer. 74. Recognizance. 75. Restorative justice. 76. Status. 77. Victimless crimes. 78. Youth detention home. 79. Bahay Pag-asa. 80. All of the above.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
81. Youth Rehabilitation Center. 82. Not to be treated with the humanity and respect for the inherent dignity of the person and in a manner which takes into account the needs of a person of his or her age. 83. To have his or her privacy disrespected fully at all stages of the proceedings. 84. Exempt. 84. Exempt. 86. Discernment. 87. Civil. 88. To periodically repeal RA 9344 as amended by RA 10630 with the participation of government agencies concerned, NGOs, and youth organizations. 89. To conduct regular inspection of private higher educational institutions. 90. The offense committed by the CICL has the imposable penalty of less than 3 years.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
91. Child pornography. 92. All of the above. 93. All of the above. 94. Grooming. 95. Luring. 96. Pandering. 97. Syndicated. 98. All of the above. 99. Photo and video voyeurism. 100. To publish or broadcast or cause to be published or broadcast, whether in print or broadcast media, or show or exhibit the photo or video coverage or recordings of the best performance of the child during family day in school or any similar activity through VCD or DVD, internet, cellular phones, and other similar means or device.
Judicious Backbone. Answer key to the AIMSMART Special Final Coaching Book, latest edition.
Nabitin ka ba sa ating talakayan? Panoorin mo ang iba pang videos ng ating Justice Body. Dahil ang sabi sa Kawikaan 13:20, ang nakikisama sa may unawa ay magiging matalino, ngunit ang kasama ng mangmang ay masusuong sa gulo.